difficult, are you really present? When others are speaking, are you thinking about what to say or forming your opinion, focusing on approving or disapproving, interrupting the speaker? Are you sometimes at a loss for how to respond with understanding and connection? Do you unintentionally shut conversations down? Do you wish you were a better listener? Do you long for ease in responding with empathy? Listening well and reflecting what you hear is important to the speaker creates trust and makes life easier. Checking for understanding before responding can prevent assumptions and misunderstandings. At work or home, creating real understanding before problem solving prevents conflict and inefficiency. Learn how to listen up and provide the nourishing balm of empathy. Your listening can lift others up so you thrive together and stay connected through difficult times. Listen Up, an interactive workshop. You can register at nvctrainingsource.com on the calendar page.